Assalamualaikum students. How are you class? Very good. All doing well. Open the next page. Page number is 7 and here you can learn now your computer. So look at the picture. Tell me what is this? Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. First of all class you have to learn these words with spell. Okay. You learn the spelling of these words, which is monitor, MONITOR. Okay, is that clear? Keyboard, KEYBOARD. Keyboard, CPU, mouse, MOUSE. Mouse. Hello friends, I am a computer. I work using electricity because computer is on when electricity is on. Is that clear? The next thing is computer is used in many ways. What are the ways? Look at the page number 7. Computer is used to write text. Okay. Computer is used to solve sum. Very good. And computer is used to play games. If you want to play games, you can use your computers. Okay. I get variety of information using my computer. Look at the students. What he says, I get variety of information. If you get your computer, okay, you can ask any question and get lot of information. And there are also many other uses of computers. It's your choice. What you want, you can get your knowledge from computer. Is that clear? Do you know computer is helpful because it is used at several places. What are the places? Look at school. Computer is also used here, and here is your computer lab, which computers also use, teachers also use, students also use. Using our computers makes our work easier, okay? Because it saves our time and it is very helpful for teachers to prepare results, to make your assessments, worksheets, and question papers also. If you have any queries class, you can ask me at the comment section, and also you can subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.